Namaskar Purtulians, I am Kawaljit Singh. Yesterday we discussed our topic square and square root. Under this we discuss here square. The meaning of square is when a number is multiplied by itself, then we can say a number has been squared and its product is known as the square of that number here. That suppose 2 square. 2 square means 2 is multiplied with itself, that is 2, and product of this is 4 is known as square of that number 2 here. Under this, after we discussing some numbers and its squares, I write here 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And square of these numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. After that we discuss some interesting facts of natural numbers here. And now today we discuss here about square root. Square root just it is opposite of square. Square root it is opposite of square. Suppose we know that square of 7. This can be written as 7 square, and 7 square we know that is 49. So square root of 49, square root of 49, that is equal to 7. Similarly, square of 5, it can be written as 5 square, and 5 square that is equal to 25. And square root of 25 is equal to 5, which is just opposite of that. Now, square root symbol. This square root can be represented as like this. 49 is equal to 7, and the square root of 25 is equal to 5 here. Now, after that, see, square root of 49 is equal to 7. Or I told you that when a number is multiplied, 7 is multiplied with itself, it becomes 49. But we know that when minus 7 is multiplied with minus 7, then under multiplication, minus minus become plus 49. It means when 7 is multiplied with 7 or minus 7 is multiplied with minus 7, both the condition we get 49 our answer here. Similarly, square root of 25 is equal to 5 here, or 5 is multiplied with 5 is equal to 25, and minus 5 multiplied with minus 5, that is 25. It means again when 5 is multiplied with 5 we get 25, minus 5 multiplied with minus 5 we get minus 25 here. So it means we can say every positive number, कोई पॉजिटिव नंबर है, सपोज करो x है, then its its square root, answer will be 1 positive integer, 1 positive integer and 1 negative integer. Then we can say minus 49, square root of minus 49, that's equal to 7 and minus 7, and square root of 25, that is equal to 5 and minus 5. But in our class 8, we are just limited to our positive value. It means we have just take here the square root value with positive sign here. Now after that, we have to start our exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. Under this first question, that we have to find the square root of 121 by successive subtraction. So before starting this question, just you have to recall that all the odd numbers, that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, up to so on, these all are here odd numbers here. We have to subtract these odd numbers from the given numbers till we have not get 0 here. It means at some stage after doing successive subtraction, that firstly we subtract 1, then the answer subtracted from 3, then answer again gets subtract 5, then answer gets subtract 7, then answer again get we subtract 9 here. कहां तक करना है? जब तक हमें 0 नहीं मिल जाता कि इसको सबट्रैक्ट करते हुए एक ऐसी स्टेज आएगी जहां पर हमारे पास 0 मिल जाएगा. वो सारे सब्ट्रैक्शन आपको सीरियल ऑर्डर का नेम देते रहेंगे 1 2 3 कि कितने टाइम्स हमने इसको सब्ट्रैक्शन किया है. जितने टाइम सब्ट्रैक्शन किया होगा और जहां 0 मिल जाएगा उन सारे को काउंट कर लो, वही हमारा क्या होगा? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ गिवन नंबर है. सो लेट अस डू हियर. वी स्टार्ट this question from subtractions. Here 121, this is our first. I write here 1 here because this is our first. 121 minus first odd number, that is 1 here. We get here 120. Now our answer is here 120. Now second step, 120. Next odd number we have to subtract. We get 170. Now again answer write down here and subtract 5. We get here 112. Now fourth step, write 112 minus 7. We get it here 105. Next fifth step, 105 कितने subtract करेंगे? 9 करेंगे. So subtracted here we get 96. Now sixth step, 96 minus of 11. We get it here, that is 85 here. Now seventh step, that is 85 minus of 13. Subtract it here, that we get 72. Now eighth step, 72 minus 50. Subtract it here, 12 minus 5, 7, 57. Now, 9th step, 57 minus of 70. We get it here, 40. Now, 10th step, 40 minus 19. We get it here, 21. Now 11 step, 21 minus next whole number 0. So here we get a number 0 here. So our subtraction stops here. Now count the steps. How many steps we have done here? That counting C we have done here up to 11 steps here. So it means the square root of 121 is equal to 11. That's our answer. Suppose during subtraction लास्ट में आपको 0 नहीं मिलता तो क्या होगा? यहाँ तो वो नंबर क्या होगा? आपका परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं होगा या फिर आपने सबट्रैक्शन में कहीं कुछ गलती की होगी। इस तरह सबट्रैक्शन को वी हैव टू यूज अप टू 250 है कि 250 नंबर तक कोई स्क्वायर नंबर है उसके लिए इस तरह सबट्रैक्शन हम इजीली यूज कर सकते हैं। नाउ आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट वन इज हियर question. We have to find the square root of its second question. Find the square root of the following number. The following number by using ones, using their ones and tens digits. Tens digit here. So I take one question from here. That is I take 549. So in this question, now see here. In this question we have to use the method ones and tens digit. ध्यान से बना. This is very important part. अगर हमें इन सब के स्क्वायर्स याद है, नंबर गिवन है उनके स्क्वायर याद है तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी है। करना क्या है? द वेरी स्टेप इज हियर, टेक द वंस डिजिट ऑफ द गिवन नंबर हियर, दैट द इट्स सॉल्यूशन, द वंस डिजिट of the given number is 9. इस given number का वंस डिजिट क्या है? 9. Now चेक करना है this 9 is the square of which number here? That square, see here from squares 9 comes here and 9 comes here. It means इसका स्क्वायर रूट जो होगा दैट इज विल बी 3 और 7 हो सकता है। सो द वंस डिजिट, सो द वंस डिजिट ऑफ द स्क्वायर रूट, वंस डिजिट ऑफ द स्क्वायर रूट इज इधर 3 और 7। इसको दोबारा समझ लो कि वंस डिजिट अंडरलाइन द वंस डिजिट ऑफ द गिवन नंबर इज 9 है। तो 9 स्क्वायर बाय टेबल में चेक करो, 9 here 49 है, वंस डिजिट मिल गए 99। इट मींस कि इनका स्क्वायर रूट करने पर जो वंस डिजिट होगा क्या होगा? यहां तो 3 होगा, दिस वन 3 और दिस वन 7, क्योंकि इनकी यूनिट प्लेस क्या है यहां पर 9। आफ्टर दैट क्या करना है? Strike out 2 digit from right here. I write here strike out 2 digit from right. अब देखो राइट साइड से जब 2 डिजिट स्ट्राइक होगा मतलब क्या है कि अलग कर दो। ये दोनों, इन दोनों नंबर को हमने स्ट्राइक आउट कर दिया तो कौन सा नंबर बचा? दैट इज 5 है। सो वी गेट द नंबर, वी गेट द नंबर is 5। Now this 5 number we have to check in which two square it is lying there. That means 5. This 5 is less than the square of 2. This one, 2 square is less than of 5 and 5 is less than of 3 square. 2 square is less than 5 and 5 is less than of 3 square. It means this 5 is lying between 2 and 3 squares. तो जो smaller number है, that was smaller number, we have to take it as their tens digit. Now the tens digit of the number is 2. अब क्या हुआ कि टेंस डिजिट में मिले क्या है 2 है और बट वंस डिजिट कौन से मिले थे 3 and 7. It means so the square root of given number is either, देखो टेंस डिजिट 2 था 2 लेंगे, एक डिजिट हम यहां से 23 और 27 कि यहां तो क्या होगा 23 होगा या फिर क्या होगा 27 होगा. So but we know that 23 square, so here 23 square is equal to 529. It means the square root of 529 is equal to 3. That's our answer. इस तरह का कंडीशन में आना, जब कभी हमारे पास दो नंबर मिलते हैं तब हम इनको मैनुअल मल्टीप्लाई करके चेक करेंगे कि इसका स्क्वायर इक्वल टू गिवन नंबर है या इस नंबर का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू गिवन नंबर. तो इन दोनों में से जो नंबर इक्वल टू गिवन नंबर हुआ, दैट इज आवर आंसर. नाउ आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट वन, next one question that we have to find the square root of the following number by prime factorization method. So prime factorization हमने अपनी अर्ली क्लास में ऑलरेडी कर रखी है. Let us take a number that is question A is equal to 1936 here. That is 1936 here. We have to find the square root of this number by prime factorization. So prime factorization के लिए क्या करना है? First of all, find the factors of given number 1936 here. So prime factors start from 2. So we have to start with division work from 2 number here. First we divide by 2. 2 9s are, 2 6s are, 2 8s are. Then again, by the division rule, we understood unit digit is here even number. So it is also divisible by 2 here. So again divide by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 2 4s are again divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 2s are again divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are again. Check here 121. This one is not divisible by 3. Then check on 3. Then check on 5. then check on 7, then check on 11 here. On 11 table we found 11 11s are 121. So after that again 11 ones are 11 here. So prime factors of 1936 is equal to कितने हैं 2 2 2 2 2 4 times right here 1 2 3 4 and 11 here 2 times. Now you have to make here pairs 2 2. It means one pair of 2 2 is this, one pair of this and one pair is of this here. So now the square root of 1936, those numbers, all numbers here, all the numbers are under in pair form here. So write pairs one time here, that 2 into 2 into 11. Now multiply these. 2 2s are 4, 4 11 is 44. So square root of 1936 by the prime factorization method we get is equal to 44. That's our answer. Now after that fourth question, that a gardener grows 2025 plants in his garden in the form of a square, we have to find the number of plants in each row. So see here, read this question. A farmer grows how many plants? 2025 plants in his garden in a form of square. इस फॉर्म में स्क्वायर शेप में इसने बनाया है. स्क्वायर शेप में फ्रेम है. So from this figure square we can say square in which all sides are equal to each other. It means कि रो वाइज कितने प्लांट होंगे उतने ही कॉलम वाइज भी लगे होंगे प्लांट. इस पोस्ट पर अगर इधर 10 प्लांट्स होंगे, इस तरफ भी कितने होंगे 10 प्लांट्स ही लगे होंगे. तो देन वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स इन ईच रो, की हर एक रो में कितने प्लांट लगे होने चाहिए. तो अब इक्वल है, इक्वल के लिए क्या करेंगे, इसका हम स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे. सो अंडर दिस सॉल्यूशन first of all we have to find the prime factors of 2025. We started from again table 2. So but once digit is not here, 24680, so it is not divisible by 2 here. Then we will check this one on table 3. So 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21, 3 5 are 15. It is visible. Again check on table 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Again on table 3. 3 7s are 3 5s are. Again on table 3. 3 2s are 3 5s are. Extend this. Now on table 5. 5 5s are and 5 1s are. So prime factors of 2025. This one are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 here. Now हर एक रो में उतने ही प्लांट लगे जितने उसकी कॉलम में लगे. सो इट मींस इसका हम क्या निकाल लेंगे, स्क्वायर स्क्वायर रूट है। सो स्क्वायर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसके पेयर बनाएंगे, 3 पेयर, दिस वन 1 पेयर, दिस वन 1 पेयर, दिस वन 1 पेयर। सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2025 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So number of plants in each row, that is equal to 45, and that's our answer. Now after that, next question. That question is here. Find the smallest square number which is divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 12. तो क्वेश्चन क्या है कि एक ऐसा नंबर निकालना है, स्मॉलेस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर कि जो 4 से भी डिविजिबल हो, 5 से भी डिविजिबल हो, 6 से हो और 12 से हो. So for this, here first of all we have to calculate solution. Here we first calculate LCM of 4, 5, 6 and 12. That do here by what is the method? 4, 5, 6, 12. So start from table 2 here. 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is, 2 3s are 2 6s are. Again on table 2, 2 1s are 5 as and 3 as 2 3s are 6. Now on table of 3, 3 1s are 3 1s are after table of 5. So LCM of 4, 5, 6 and 12, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 60. Here we found 60 is not a perfect square, but in its factors we found 2 is in pair. Here number 3 and 5 are not in pair. So to make this number in pair, we need to multiply 3 into 5 one time more. It means 3 into 5 is multiplied with 60 here. So here, how to write? Here 3 and 5 are unpaired. ये पेयर में नहीं है, unpaired. And to convert 60 into, I write here, into perfect square, we need to multiply 60 by 3 into 5, that is 60 into 3 into 5. Multiply this, we get 900. So 900 is the smallest square number which is divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 12 here. So 900 is the smallest square number which is divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 12. That's our solution. Now after that, next question. Sixth question. We have to find the smallest number. Find the smallest number by which each of the following number should be multiplied to get perfect square. So question A is there. 1280. For this question, see, number is given 1280 and we have to find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers should be multiplied. कि इस गिवन नंबर से ऐसा कौन सा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करे कि ये नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद किसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा एज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर हियर. फॉर दिस solution, first of all we have to take the LCM of 1280. LCM क्यों लेना है? क्योंकि LCM लेने से चेक हो जाएगा कि गिवन नंबर में से जो इसके प्राइम नंबर आएंगे इनमें से कौन सा पेयर में नहीं है, और जो पेयर में नहीं होगा दैट नंबर वी शुड मल्टीप्लाई विद द गिवन नंबर हियर. सो start from 2 6 are 2 4 are 0. Again on table 2 3 are 2 2 are 0. Again on table 2 1 0 6 0. Again 2 8 are 2 40 are 2 20 2 10 2 5 are and last 5 ones. So we found here the prime factors of 1280 is equal to, see here how 8 to how many times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I multiply 8 times 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and last multiply 5. Now make pairs. One pair of 2, this one pair, this one pair, this one pair. From this we found here 5 is unpaired. It means that number which is unpaired here, that number should be multiplied with the given number to get a perfect square number here. So here 5 is unpaired, and to make 1280 as a perfect square number number, we need to multiply it by 5. That is 1280 multiplied with 5. And now multiply this 0. 5 8s are 44. 5 2s are 10. Or for 14, 1. 5 1s are 5 or 1, 6 here. So 6400. So hence the required number. Hence the required number is 5, which is to be multiplied with the given number here. That's our answer. Now after that, next question. Question number 7. Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number by which of the following numbers should be divided so as to get perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtain. So I take a question number B 1875. So this question, what they said, we have to find the smallest number. एक सबसे छोटा नंबर निकालना है. By which of the following number should be divided? अब यहाँ क्या करना है? Divide करना है. पिछले क्वेश्चन में क्या किया था? Multiply. So as to get perfect square number, ताकि जो नंबर दिया है वो क्या बन जाए? As a perfect square number बन जाए. Also we have to find the square root of the number. So obtain. जो perfect square number निकला है उसका हमने क्या निकालना है? Square root भी निकालना है. So in solution, first of all we have to find the prime factors of 1875. So start from table 3. 3 6s are 3 2s are 3 5s are. After that it is resolved by table 5. 5 1s are 2s are 5s are. 5 2s are 5 5s are. 5 5s are 5 1s are. So it's over here. So it means prime factors of 1875 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now make pairs. Here we found 5 are in pair and 3 is not in pair. So here 3 is unpaired. 3 is unpaired. So to make 1875 square, we need to divide. We need to divide the given number by 3, that is 1875 divided by 3, we get 625. So one answer we get here. The smallest number we have to divide, that is 3 here. Now after that we have to find square root of the numbers to obtain. तो नंबर कौन सा मिला हमको यहाँ पर 625. So now square root of 625, this can be written as 6 to 5, and prime factor of these are, that is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Then make pairs. Write down one time 5 into 5. So square root of 625, that is our 25. It means smallest number should be divided by 3 here, and the square root of that number is 25 here. So this is the solution of our this problem here. So on basis of that, you have to complete your exercise 3.2